A general cargo ship loads a consignment of tea, cotton and rubber from the Indian subcontinent for St. Petersburg, Russia. The owner gets a voyage policy insurance cover through his broker in London. The ship also loads a consignment of 250 barrels of sulfuric acid from Skikda, Algeria. When the ship is off the coast of Netherlands, the master receives a message from the ship's superintendent to proceed to Bremerhaven roads to pick up fuel oil heater spares arranged through the local agents to be supplied by launch. He takes a detour and enters the German Bight TSS to approach Bremerhaven. The ship encounters poor visibility due to fog, rough sea and heavy swells. The cargo lashing on board gives way and the chemical barrels come loose, spilling on the tea and rubber consignments, resulting in heavy damage. To make things worse, a fully loaded tanker, outbound from the port of Hamburg, crossing the traffic separation scheme, comes perilously close to the Taj. Despite evasive action by both vessels to avoid a close-quarter situation, collision is imminent. Both vessels alter course to starboard and sustain a glancing blow on their port sides. The tanker suffers hull damage abreast tank number 4 on the port side and starts leaking oil into the sea. The Taj, on the other hand, runs aground in shallow waters on her starboard side, damaging her bottom plating. The master transmits a distress message and informs his owners of the situation.